We're at River Valley. It's the middle of February. We're out here in 70 degrees at like 7:30 or 8 o'clock at night. Awesome. We're going to go have some fun. This track is sweet. The dirt's always been really good. So I'm excited to go and do some more riding. So thank you guys for coming along. Put that visor up.
Dude, it's just up as high as
That's as high as it goes? Why you wear a ball cap? You wear a ball cap because you don't want to see the sun. We're going to ride some dirt bikes. I kind of already did though. Look how sick this dirt is. I'm just going to tell you, it doesn't get better than Texas/Oklahoma. Sands, it's kind of loam, hard packed at times. It does a little bit of everything, but this is the best dirt there is. I would say I favor Stillwater where guys out a little bit more because it is more clay than this. This is insane. There's probably 150 people here on a Thursday night practice. So it reminds me of like old school 59th and Douglas races on a Saturday night, but this isn't a race. This is just practice. Let's go ride some dirt bikes. I just remembered I don't know what mapping is in that bike. I want to check it out. Oh. Almost fell down. Right on map 2. Okay, that's all I was wondering. Alright. Well, we're not going to change it after all. We're just going to leave it like that. Fancy seeing you here.
I only live 15 minutes.
Oh, cool. That's awesome. that was awesome. Track at River Valley was sweet. I couldn't really see very good. Like I was saying, I think it might be because I'm getting older. I'm not really sure, but it was a good time, and we got some little bit of ruts, and it's the first time I got to ride this bike outdoors other than the very first time at Greg's. Ridden indoors since then, and it's a little change coming outdoors and riding it, but I really like it so far. It's going to be really good. I assume if it's good indoors, it's going to be better outdoors. So I'm looking forward to riding it more, and luckily this warm weather's helping out.